to just hear doctors say your life has changed forever, you're never going to be able to do this again, you're never going to be able to run, you're never going to be able to do the things you used to do before, that's a hard pill to swallow. And just, you know, laying around in bed for a year and a half in tremendous pain, just, you know, not getting the right answers, and then finding Dr. Stone, it's just a huge relief. My name is Tom, and I had a meniscus transplant, my left knee. I played sports my entire life. I started lifting when I was 15. And then when I was 23, I got into fitness modeling, where I really got into fitness, diet, nutrition, and just kind of kept that lifestyle for almost 20 years of my life. Did physique competitions, trained for sprint triathlons, and then I got into SEAL Fit and CrossFit. I just went to a completely higher level. And just over time, with age, you know, my knees, I could start feeling it in my knees. And just my lifestyle, skydiving, riding motorcycles, in the lifting, you know, just you take some hits here and there and you start feeling it, you know, and things were going pretty well. Unfortunately, I was hit by a drunk driver, and that just completely crushed my knee, completely destroyed the meniscus, and from there just changed my life forever. You know, I was training 7 days a week, a lot of the days twice a day, lifting in the morning, doing high intensity, and just running in the evening or swimming, usually Monday through Friday. But when that accident occurred, just everything came to a dead halt. Tried to keep going as much as I could, but the swelling in my knee, the stiffness and the damage in my knee, I just knew I couldn't keep going, because whatever was wrong, it was just going to make it worse. So I completely stopped, which, you know, when you're living life, that type of lifestyle for almost 20 years of your life, just to not do anything in an injury like that is basically a death sentence. So that's when I started going to the doctors, x-rays, MRIs, and every doctor, I went to 3 doctors, and they all told me I was just going to get a knee replacement, and I would have to wait till I was about 50, 55. I think I went to one doctor, and he wanted to chop my tibia and put a metal stent to straighten it out, but that wouldn't have fixed anything. It just, you know, that wasn't a solution. It just would have made things worse. So I didn't like any of those diagnoses, so I just sitting around for a while, I was just, okay, let's get a partial, let's get a knee replacement done, let's find a doctor, I'll do it. And just by chance on YouTube, I came across Dr. Stone in San Francisco. I checked out the website, checked out all the videos, and the next day I made a phone call. I was in the office a couple days later getting everything checked out. I had all my MRIs and x-rays sent over. He had his own MRI and x-ray set up here in San Francisco, so he's able to get a current view of everything and make a diagnosis. Originally he was going to do a pace graft and just sew the meniscus back together, but it was so damaged that he actually ordered a donor meniscus and had it flown over, you know, for the next day, because I was set up for the procedure like a day or two later, just in case for a backup. So yeah, I had my procedure. Came in for 2 weeks to do physical therapy, just very light, very simple. I was on crutches and a brace for a month, and then for 2 months after, I just did my own physical therapy in the East Bay at the gym, just very light exercises to re-strengthen all the tendons and ligaments, and just ride the bike, very gentle. And it was tough, you know, because when your mind wants to go 0 to 100 and you're stuck at 0, just that anxiety just eats you away. But you know, I just got back on my diet, just kept with the training, and you know, at the 3-month mark was when I got the go-ahead to finally start lifting weights and progressing further along the way. I started out at 40 pounds, basically the top of the stack on leg extension and hamstring curls, and with a lot of pain and a lot of stiffness and weakness. And now I'm 6 months out and I'm at the bottom of the stack doing 2 or 3 reps, stacking the whole thing with no pain and no stiffness. So it's pretty amazing what Dr. Stone is able to do. There's almost no swelling, there's almost no stiffness whatsoever, and it's just each week gets better and better. I mean, most of my life is pretty much the gym, running and swimming, so I'm able to do all those things. I've ridden my motorcycle a few times. That I was not able to do prior because the range of motion on my knee wouldn't allow me to. It was just stuck. But because of this procedure, I can pretty much bend my knee back all the way now, where before the procedure I was maybe stuck at 90 degrees. I haven't jumped out of a plane yet, but I plan on getting back into the sky hopefully soon, within a few months. I don't want to push anything. Pretty much just going upstairs, paddleboarding, skateboarding. So pretty much all the stuff that I was doing before that was, low impact, that took a lot of balance that I wasn't able to do previously, I can do again. The worst part is the mental aspect of, something you've been doing, half your life that you've invested, more into than anything else. To just hear doctors say your life has changed forever, you're never going to be able to do this again, you're never going to be able to run, you're never going to be able to do the things you used to do before, that's a hard pill to swallow. And just, laying around in bed for a year and a half in tremendous pain, just, not getting the right answers, and then finding Dr. Stone, it's just a huge relief. And every day, every month, it just gets better and better. It's like just being suffocated, and every week, every month, you're just like, man, I feel normal. Like, I'm just happy again to go to the gym, to take my dog out for a run, to just lift weights, to ride my skateboard or paddleboard. I mean, I'm moving to San Diego in a few weeks, so this summer I'm definitely going to be surfing and snorkeling the cove. It's what I used to do when I lived down there years ago, so I'm looking forward to doing all that again.